Hello, IG Garage family. Have you ever found your fuel gauge acting strangely, showing incorrect fuel levels, or suddenly the check engine light comes on? Your OBD-II scanner might throw the code P0460 fuel level sensor circuit malfunction. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll explain what this code means, show you exactly where the sensor is located, and how you can fix it yourself. Plus, stay tuned till the end for 2 related videos to keep your car running smoothly. So what does P0460 mean? The P0460 code indicates that the engine control module, or ECM, has detected a fault in the fuel level sensor circuit. This sensor sends information to your vehicle's computer and fuel gauge to display the correct fuel level. Now, what are the symptoms of P0460? Firstly, your fuel gauge may show incorrect or fluctuating readings. Secondly, the check engine light will be illuminated. And lastly, you may have difficulty with your fuel economy monitoring systems. Alright, let's talk about the causes of P0460. It could be due to a faulty fuel level sensor, damaged or corroded wiring in the sensor circuit, a malfunctioning ECM, or poor ground connections. Sometimes even a contaminated fuel tank can affect the sensor's performance. So where is the sensor located? The fuel level sensor is typically inside the fuel tank and is often integrated with the fuel pump assembly. To access it, you may need to remove the rear seat or an access panel above the tank depending on your car's design. Refer to your vehicle's service manual for the exact location and procedure. Now let's get into how to diagnose and fix P0460. First, inspect the fuel level sensor. Remove the access panel and visually inspect the sensor for damage or wear. Next, check the wiring and connectors. Look for loose connections, corrosion or damaged wires and repair or replace them as needed. Then, test the sensor circuit. Use a multimeter to check the resistance and voltage in the circuit. Replace the sensor if readings are out of range. Lastly, clean the fuel tank to ensure no debris or contamination is affecting the sensor's performance. After repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and take a test drive to confirm the fix. And that's everything you need to know about fixing the P0460 fuel level sensor circuit malfunction. Accurate fuel readings are critical for a smooth driving experience, so addressing this issue promptly can save you headaches down the road. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Before you leave, check out these 2 related videos. P0232, fuel pump secondary circuit high, and P0010, a camshaft position actuator circuit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on IG Garage.